I'm Jonathan Majewski. I own the Exotic Car Garage located here in Ramona, California. We specialize in overall restorations, resto-mods, hot rods, engine rebuilding, tuning, and much more. I have overall 13 years of experience working on classic cars, 8 years seriously on overall restoration of cars and fine tuning and performance of cars. I started working on cars when my father basically became unable to work on them. So I ended up having to step in and kind of figuring out how to work a wrench. This all happened in about middle school, working with my dad in the garage, picked up on that, ran with it all through high school, did competitions in auto, and really excelled in auto class. Right after high school, I interned at a high-end restoration shop here in Ramona. Basically worked there for about 4 years. It really fine-tuned me and my ability to work on classic cars and make them absolutely perfect. A little after the 4 years of working there, I decided to venture out on my own and start my own shop. Been here for about 4.5 years and we're still going strong.